Smoothies can help with practically every aspect of your health, and that includes boosting performance for gym rats and other people interested in building muscle or losing weight. If you want a smoothie that will take you beyond just being healthy, these are some of the best options for reaching your weight loss goals or muscle building. The long-distance smoothie can help you to get more out of your runs and improve your performance in all kinds of aerobic exercise. The precise ingredients are 1 cup of frozen blueberries, 1 cup of coconut water, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 2 medium frozen bananas, a pinch of salt, and 1 beet. This combination has a ton of different benefits that will help you to run further and faster and lose more weight as a result. You'll already be familiar with some of them. We've seen that beets help to improve vasodilation, for example, to help you get more blood and oxygen around the body for weight loss. We've also seen that coconut oil, and thus coconut water, can provide you with a whole lot of energy in the form of ketones. The decision to use water rather than milk is important to prevent bloating and to help you feel light when you hit the tarmac. Just make sure that you give yourself plenty of time before you go for the run. Ideally, you want to consume this around an hour before you head out. Then there's the blueberries, which will fuel you with vitamin C, and the bananas, which provide plenty of good usable energy. You might have also guessed that the salt and the bananas are in there to replenish electrolytes as you run and to avoid cramping. All that remains is the chia. What's all this about? Well, chia seeds are some amazing seeds that have the ability to hold several times their volume of water. So you can consume them and they will slowly release all of that fluid inside the stomach. What makes this so amazing is that it allows you to have a steady supply of hydration as you run. If you've ever heard of the Tarahumara tribe, a tribe of people who are known to run marathons on a highly regular basis, then it might interest you to know that chia seeds are thought to be one of the keys to their amazing abilities. Then there's the muscle building smoothie. It contains 2 cups of whole milk, 1 helping of chocolate protein shake, half a banana, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, cherries, kiwi fruit, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Now, this is the same smoothie we had for sleep, but with the addition of the protein shake. Again, you'll likely want to choose whey protein, which will release steadily into the bloodstream and which comes from milk, so it's very healthy and natural. Drink this smoothie straight after a workout and you'll replenish your muscles by providing the amino acids they need to repair micro tears caused by training. What's more, the sugar in the smoothie will head straight to the muscles to restore glycogen, rather than being stored as fat. Better yet, consume this smoothie just before bed and you'll have another anabolic window where you'll see enhanced muscle growth. In this case though, you may want to use a casein protein instead of whey. Casein releases protein much more slowly, and this in turn means that it will provide a steady supply as you're sleeping. How can a smoothie filled with sugar possibly help you to lose weight? Read the ingredients, then we'll get down to the mechanics of how this one works. The key ingredients are 2 kiwi fruit, 1 green apple, a handful of spinach, 1 leaf kale, 1 banana, half a cup of fresh apple juice, matcha tea, pinch of ground cayenne pepper, and lemon juice. Firstly, this is a vegetable smoothie that will provide you with much less sugar for each glass and thereby be less likely to lead to fat storage. This is one for those who are worried about their teeth too. Meanwhile, the apple will provide you with vitamin C. Vitamin C is important because, as we've seen, it can increase serotonin. What we didn't mention about serotonin though is that it helps to suppress the appetite. Meanwhile, the matcha tea ground cayenne pepper and lemon juice are all thermogenic to some extent. That means they actually raise your metabolism to help you burn more calories throughout the day. If you can use this smoothie instead of having your regular breakfast, you should find it does a ton of good in helping you to burn through calories. And this is especially true if you have it within 30 minutes of waking up. The spinach will supply you with a good amount of protein, and studies show that consuming protein as soon as you wake up can lead to weight loss.